guys, welcome back. If you are new here, I am Amy, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over 5 things that you can make and gift this holiday season that people actually want to receive. And I'm going to take it a step further by not only telling you and giving you some ideas, but also giving you tutorials on how to make the idea that you see right here. So the item that I'm showing you, I will link the tutorial up above as well as down in the comments on how you can make that item. And if you don't see a corresponding link for that item, it means it is coming out in the next week or 2. So be sure to hit that subscribe button because these are some good ideas that you definitely want to make. Tumblers, custom tumblers. Now, I'm not just talking vinyl on a tumbler because you can do that, but I'm taking it a step further and going into sublimation tumblers. So if you have sublimation, I would definitely recommend doing something like this for teachers. And how cute is this? This is a 20-ounce skinny tumbler, but this basically just means that it is printed inside the mug. That's what sublimation is the ink is warped into the mug. There is nothing raised on it. There's something that's gonna fall off, flake off, peel off, you name it. So that's a risk you take with vinyl, and but that is something that is different with sublimation. So this is my first idea for you, and you can do it, you know, for teachers like this, or you can do one that's just a pretty little mug or tumbler like this, just for anybody, and you can put their name on it. Now, this particular video, this will be coming out in the next week or so. So like I said, hit that subscribe button and I will walk you through step by step what you need and how you can create this. So if you don't have access to sublimation with a sublimation printer and all of that, like with the 20-ounce skinny tumblers that I showed you, you can do something like this. And this here says, wine goes in, wisdom comes out. And this particular one has been etched into the glass. So with etching, you don't need anything fancy. You need a stencil, which for me, I use my Cricut to cut out the stencil, and I also use etching cream. And I've done a full tutorial walking you through step by step on how you can do this. So this will be linked up above and down below on how you can make something like this. Earrings. So this is a fun gift that people definitely like to give. Who doesn't like to get a piece of jewelry? And you can make these with any kind of faux leather that you want. This is made using your Cricut, and it is really actually simple. So the tutorial for this is also coming out soon, so stick around for that. But yeah, custom earrings. Okay, so this next one that I have for you is one that really goes for any age. So it is a custom blanket. Like you see here, I have a name on this blanket, and I will show you here a larger image of what it looks like laid out. But yeah, you can put anything on this. This one particularly has, you know, the rainbows, the unicorns, things like that. But you can make this specific with pictures even for a grandparent or something like that. Now, I did make this again with sublimation, but you can put vinyl on a blanket as well. So I'm going to link the video of how I did the blanket that you see here. I'll link that up there. The next thing I have for you is going to be a custom sweatshirt. So this sweatshirt has the image of the mountains, and it says, perhaps you were created for such a time as this, which is one of my favorite Bible verses. But this is a sweatshirt that I think is just, it's so cool because, like I said, you could put someone's favorite Bible verse, favorite saying, their name on it, a school name, anything. It is literally, the sky is the limit when it comes to what you can do with a custom sweatshirt. And again, this is for vinyl or sublimation. So the tutorial for the sweatshirt and how to do that will also be coming out soon. These are the 5 ideas that I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed them. If you did, please be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the thumbs up button. It really does help. And let me know in the comments which was your favorite idea, and if you have some ideas that you're making this Christmas season. So thank you guys so much for watching, and have a Merry Christmas.